Welcome to Ikea. This is in Las Vegas. You know what my best is? We found out that this one exists here in Las Vegas. We lived here for how many years and I never, you know. Okay, what? Yeah, we only found out that there is an Ikea in Las Vegas. Summerlin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, that's nice, eh? I like that one. It's very cute. It's better here. Look at that. It's nicer than in Minnesota. How about this? How much is this one? Entrance. Sustainability wall. That's cute. Really cute. Apa? Look. Welcome. It's really nice. Wow. Which one? I think because of the soda, Brady. Oh, nice. I like that one. $10.99. Oh, baskets, huh? So cute. $11 only. Oh, I like that, son. Cute.
Michael.
And then I need this one. I need this table. It's only $15. For my sewing machine. It's nice. For your office. Cute. Oh my gosh, I like this one. So cute. Hello, besties and Morris. Okay, I'll picture you. Alright, my besties. Oh, I like them. You can get inspiration from these furniture right here, designs. I like it. It's only $4.99. So cheap. Ooh, look at this. It's really cute. Look at that, huh? Or you can get some inspiration from this design. It's really cute. $99 for that one. That's not bad. Wow, look at that one. Look at that, my besties. Nice. Woo! How much is this? Oh my gosh, $3.99. Wow. Oh, they have like this plant. Michael, I like this one. Oh man, there's no price. Wow. Oh, what's that? What's in there? Oh, I like that. Oh, that lamp. The lamp is so cute. Oh. nice. It's $1.99. Sunny, why I'm there?
It is nice.
I'm Mona Lisa.
Is that you?
I'm Mona Lisa, man.
Why would they have a copy
You take
for
$1
it?
million for the picture.
It's only $29.
It's nice, huh?
It's only 30. Can I kiss you, Sunny?
$30. It's a
Mom,
print.
can we show Sunny?
Yeah, sure. Come, let's go.
Come on, quick.
Family, look at this inspiration right there. It's really nice, huh? It's cozy. See that? Look at that. So clean. Clean, clean lines. Look at this inspo for small spaces. It's so cute, huh? Table for two. That one, the long one. I like that long island. Yeah, I like that long island.
Do you think this is more? It looks like it should be in there.
What is it? Oh, that's heavy. It's probably expensive, huh? What's the price right there?
9,000.
9,000? Oh, the whole thing?
Complete price?
9,000?
Appliances,
Huh, what is it?
kitchen combination.
25,000?
25,000.
For the whole thing? With the cabinet?
Yeah.
It's not bad. This is not bad. With the appliances. But I don't like the appliances. This one though, very long. I like it. This is a great idea for small spaces. See that? I like that. I like that one right there. Oh my gosh, it's like a butler's pantry. Butler's. This is chef's. So cute. This is so clean, huh? I like that one. I like that one. Look at that, hey? So retro. Oh, look at that. This one. Imagine this one is the garage door. And then you enter the house with that. It's nice. I like this one. So little tayo. 89. 89, 99. 89, 99. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I like that one. Still early, right? Wow, look at that. Nice. Ooh. Study room, nice. Sunny. I like that one. Oh, I like the table. Wow, this one I like. And this one is their design for the shower. Oh, it's not bad. It's not
Yeah,
bad.
but look, if you want, like, it's too crowded.
Yeah.
You need a bigger one.
This, yeah, I need the bigger one.
Go inside.
Yeah. Look at this one.
Oh,
It's nice. I like that one. That one's hello, like this. Whoa, whoa. Wow, I like this. This one. This is the outside. Wait, hello, we can put like that. Huh? See? Which one? Oh, you like that?
I'm gonna go back to
Okay. And this one like this? Look, Mika.
that. I can cover myself now.
Yeah, the curtain. Look. That's curtain. Look, Mika. Let's look. Wow.
This is like a new
Like that.
bathroom, mommy. This.
Oh, that's a small. Yeah, that's a small. I like that
I
one.
know it's tiny.
I like this. Look at it. It's very clean, huh? Look at this. It's an old design, but it's really clean, huh? Like that. I like that one.
Picture this so we have inspiration.
Oh, I like
Put
that.
the bath salt and
Yeah, I like that one. It's really nice. And this one is really nice. Oh yeah, you like that, Mika?
and look at the closet.
Oh yeah. Let me
Yeah,
see.
I don't like this.
You don't like that? Small?
Well, I want it to be small, but not like that.
Yeah. Oh, about that one. Look at that bed. It's nice.
But not
Yes.
this, mommy. It's a bathtub again.
Okay. Oh yeah. Honey.
The room we're staying in right now is about this size. Look what they did to this. This is 376 square feet.
Okay. Wow. Oh. How much? What's the measurement of
375 square feet.
this one?
Yeah.
Only?
They got everything. Look.
Oh, this is nice.
Mommy.
Let me see. That one is really nice. Though. Yeah, it is small, but
Bathroom.
yeah, it's so cute though.
Yeah, but this is
Oh, look. If it's like this, it's like the
Yeah.
the size of
Yeah.
our room.
Hello, my besties. I'm wearing shorts. It's too hot here. Oh, it's cozy. It's warm and cozy. It's not bad like that.
This would be nice for the
I like it.
master bedroom.
Yeah. Nice, huh? Not bad, not bad.